Look at what I'm riding.
Welcome to Dubai. It is hot.
Yeah, it really is. Oh, hey. Joy.
No. Wait.
Huh.
You came to Dubai to ride.
I did.
Yeah. Okay. So let's ride.
But this is a car.
Yeah, it is a ride, not the ride.
Okay.
That is the ride.
What? You wanted to ride? Okay. Let's listen to her. Is she yours?
She's mine.
Oh my God. What is your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany. This is Tiffany's Repsol. Welcome to Dubai. Sweet. Let's do this. Okay, guys. Welcome to Dubai. I'm gonna go out to my hotel, and this is my mode of transport. All thanks to the Biker Crew UAE. Let's go. Day 2 in Dubai is looking sweet. Look at what I'm riding. Just follow me to see where I'm going with them. Here I am at the Dubai Autodrome, and Aprilia UAE have a whole menu laid out for me. Starting with the new RS660, which looks massively cool, man. By the way, it's my first time riding the 660 because they're not available to ride in India. And I have to say, it's a proper pocket rocket. Fast, lovely in corners, mad level of electronics. I think I want to ride this on the street as well. What is this?
If you're in the UAE or anywhere in the Middle East and you've never tried chips oman, you haven't lived. Sorry. Let her try. Let me tell you.
Wow! Nobody
Sorry.
paid me to say this, but chips oman is awesome.
Chips oman.
Okay guys, this is the new RSV4 Factory 1100. I haven't had the chance to ride this motorcycle back in India, but the first thing I came to Dubai, it's amazing I got my hands on it. It's gone from a 1077cc to now a 1099cc, which is a good up in power. It's got a brand new tank for better ergonomics, also a brand new seat. And I love the new cowl that they have going on. It almost looks like a seat because it has this little seat thing going on it, but it's actually a cowl. You're not supposed to sit on it. Yeah. If you look closely at the rear swing arm, it's inspired by the MotoGP RSGP bike, which is also crazy. What is it that I love about the look of the new RSV4 1100? Let's start with the wings. Totally digging this whole thing here. And this is what it sounds like. Always making me very excited, this thing. The process starting up. it wasn't. We've been riding the bike around, but I really wanted to tell you about what I think of it. So that's a wrap on day 1 and day 2 of Dubai, folks. I took the RSV4 out in the last sesh, but it legit got dark at 5 pm and totally changed my sightlines on the track. Fun fact though, the last time I rode the RSV4 many moons ago, I kind of swore I'll stay away from it. It was too tall, front heavy, and overall just a difficult motorcycle for me. But the RSV4 factory today is a lot more agile, turns beautifully even though it's heavier than the earlier one. And oof, that quick shifter, malai dude, malai. Also, it's fast as beep. Did I even need to say that? My Dubai trip is going to be packed full of machines I bet you haven't seen before. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, cause a lot is coming up. I promise you.